Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies stronger. We'll dive into selecting the right ingredients, understanding crucial baking techniques, and discovering smart tips to prevent crumbly results. You'll learn how ingredient ratios affect texture and how simple adjustments can lead to perfectly robust cookies every time. Get ready to bake some truly durable treats. Certain ingredients are fundamental for a sturdy cookie. Opt for bread flour, which has a higher protein content, creating more gluten for structure. Reducing sugar helps prevent excessive spreading, while an extra egg yolk adds richness and acts as a binder. Always ensure your butter is at the correct temperature, typically softened, for consistent mixing. Baking techniques significantly influence cookie strength. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking helps prevent spreading. Baking at a slightly lower temperature for a longer duration allows the cookies to set more firmly. Avoid overmixing the dough, as this can develop too much gluten, leading to a tough texture. Finally, cool cookies completely on the baking sheet. To prevent crumbly cookies, avoid overbaking, as this dries them out and makes them brittle. Precision in measuring ingredients is crucial for consistent results. Adding a small amount of cornstarch can also help tenderize and strengthen the cookie structure. Lastly, proper storage, such as in an airtight container, will maintain their freshness and prevent them from becoming fragile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.